Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be making KELEWELE. So you're going to need plantain. I used 8 plantains, but you could use more or less depending on the serving size you're trying to achieve. You're going to use half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, a piece of ginger and 1 onion. You can add some peanuts for garnishing, but this step is completely optional. So once you have all of these ingredients, let's get into this video. So to start off, I'm going to teach you guys a technique that will help you remove the skin off of the peanuts. You're going to put your peanuts into a pot or pan, then you're going to turn on your stove to a low to medium heat. And once your stove is hot, place your pot or pan on it. Now that your peanuts are on the stove, you're going to stir them often with a wooden spoon to avoid them burning, and you'll know that they're ready when the skin of the peanut starts to brown a little. When your peanuts are ready, you're going to transfer them onto a plate and allow it to cool down. After you allowed your peanuts to cool down, it should be easier to remove its skin. So this is how your peanut should look like after you removed its skin, and it's now ready for garnishing. Next, you're going to remove the skin of the ginger using a knife or a peeler. You're then going to cut your ginger into smaller pieces so it can blend easily. So you're going to do the same thing for the onion. You're going to cut up into smaller pieces so it can blend easily. Now you're going to add your ginger and onion pieces to the blender. Add enough water to the blender that will allow the ginger and onion to blend. Blend your ginger and onion now. So you're going to season your plantain using the ginger and onion mix, salt, and chili powder. Mix everything together using a spoon. All that's left to do is to fry your plantain. So guys, when you're frying your plantain, the plantain sometimes has a tendency to stick to the bottom of your pot or pan. So what you're going to do is stir it often to avoid this. When your plantain is ready and golden brown, you're going to drain the excess oil around it using a sieve. This is the final result. You can then garnish your KELEWELE with your peanuts, but as I said before, it's completely optional. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you in my next video.